Hey everyone, Rob Wise Guy 82 here. Got something a little extra special. This is my first high-end pack. Not the highest end by any means. As a matter of fact, when we're talking about the high-end packs, it's probably on the lower end of the spectrum. But you could probably expect around 70-75 a pack. I got mine from Hit Kings, and when I was looking around, you know, when it comes to these expensive ones, it's you know, these guys were like a little over $1 better. So I pulled the trigger. I'm very excited. It came super quick. I think I ordered it on Friday night, maybe. Oh, nice. Wondering how it was going to come, but it feels so light. Let's see. Oh, that's freaking cool. Never seen one of these before. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh boy. Can you see in there? Alright. So we got, guys, our first pack of Topps Inception. Oh, cool. Oh my gracious. Alright. We're ready for these. Oh my goodness, look at that box. That's awesome. One autograph or autograph relic card per box. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of these. I have too. I've been watching them. They're awesome. I am so excited for this. Hope everybody's doing well. Got some other cool stuff on the way. I just got yesterday my very first, and it should be here. Well, it hasn't shipped yet, but my first nuclear bomb pack is on its way, guys. I'm so excited. He had the live stream on last night. Freaking awesome. I can't wait. Seen some really cool stuff from it's Bustin' Packs 87. Go sub him up, check it out. It's freaking awesome. Alright, so let's freaking do this. Oh man. Alright. Yep, got one pack. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is cool. Wow, I am so excited. They feel heavy. Like when it was in the package, it felt like it was nothing. Oh my goodness, hold on. I'm kind of sweating. I can't wait, guys. I got some really cool stuff in the works with my LCS. I am so excited. Man, these things are a lot, and I'm having to give up a lot of my comic books. But I'll be honest with you, there are things that go on in the comic book industry that don't and just it doesn't happen in cards that I've seen, with everybody putting their politics and into the comics, and it's just ridiculous. The creators are horrible to fans. It's absolutely insane, and I don't see any of that unless you got an asshole ball player or something with the cards. And man, I love it. I freaking love it. And I was, when I started, I was like, oh man, how the hell am I going to give up any comics? And I'm like, this nonsense has been going on for 2 years now. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Hold on. All right, here we go. Oh wow. I don't want to see. So I think I want to be careful. I want to save the pack, my first one. I haven't seen anything. I've like got my lean on big time. Although I'm not looking. I had to close my eyes for a second. Hold on. Oh my gracious, I'm getting close to seeing. So what we'll do, there we go, just in case. There we go. Sorry for those that don't like the suspense. I do. So, hold on. Kind of sweating here, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, and you know what? Oh man, I forgot to see. Oh my goodness. How many? Like, what kind of, is there an order? I don't know. So maybe, because I want, there are no thick cards or anything. I think we're just going to learn this. So let's just see here. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Inception, Seattle. First card, Edwin Encarnacion. These cards are freaking incredible. Oh my goodness. There's the back, just a base card. They feel so solid. Oh my goodness. And the artwork on them, as you can see from my comics that I got back here, that I love the artwork. Oh my goodness. And my supplies are on their way. I don't have anything to put these in. I was hoping. Oh man. Wow. All right, here we go. Number 2. Rookie. Pirate. Kevin Newman. Cool. All right, I gotta be careful here because I'm getting close to seeing it when I lift this up. So, okay. All right. Javier Baez. Man, these are freaking amazing cards. Wow. Okay, whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, so I did see that the next one is the autograph, but I didn't see who. Rookie. Yankee. Jonathan Loiseja. I don't know how you say that. Very cool. Alright, so what we'll do Alright, we're just going to see this one. There's a Cole Stewart rookie. Green. Is that not numbered? Okay. All right. And then next. All right, let me get a drink. All right. Edwin Diaz to 150. All right, that's it. Oh, nope. Two more. Okay. Hopefully I didn't. Oh, what did I do? I had too many of these in there. It is the last one. Oh my goodness. All right. What do we got here? We've got an on-card Bryce Williams, Atlanta Braves, out of 200. I have to look into Mr. Bryce Wilson. Oh, okay, rookie card. Rookie and Emerging Stars autograph. Okay. So I guess not terrible. We'll see when I look them up. Not really familiar with them. Definitely a lot of other cards that would have been exciting to see. So, yeah. This may be not the best one, but it's not discouraging. These cards are incredible, and I would love to get more of the set. Javier Baez. Yeah, a couple of rookies for an Encarnacion. So, yeah. I wish it was a little more exciting. There's, these cards are phenomenal, though. And, yeah, I'll check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and hobby boxes. God bless.